People think AI is just a tool, but the truth is, it can actually do your work for you. Quietly, automatically. No coding, no setup, no effort. Here are 5 AI tools that work in the background and get things done, even when you're not paying attention. Tool number 1, SaneBox. This tool filters your email for you. It hides the junk, highlights the important messages, and automatically organizes everything so your inbox stays clean without you doing a single thing. Tool number 2, Reclaim AI. This app plans your entire day automatically. It adjusts your schedule, moves tasks around, blocks focus time, and makes sure nothing gets forgotten. It's like having a smart personal assistant that never gets tired. Tool number 3, Zapier AI Actions. This is where the magic happens. Zapier connects your apps together so things happen automatically. New file? It gets uploaded. New form? A message gets sent. New order? Your spreadsheet updates. It works silently in the background while you do nothing. Tool number 4, Otter AI. It listens, transcribes, and summarizes meetings for you. You can skip the entire call and still receive the full notes, key highlights, and action items automatically. You get all the information with none of the time spent. Tool number 5, Feedly AI. This tool monitors the internet for you. It tracks topics, competitors, trends, and news, then sends you only the most important updates. It's like having an AI researcher scanning the world non-stop. These tools don't just help you, they actually do your work for you. If you want more AI tools that save time and automate your life, subscribe for more.